Look what this guy's doing. What happens if a lane splitter came through? Oh my god. He's like she's going right through traffic. Dude, we have it so good right now. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. It's a single lane turn, not two. That happened to me the other day. That chick's so funny. I was gonna squeeze my car in here. Fuck the guy who's in the correct turn lane. Fuck him. That would make too much sense. Look at this Cadillac. Look at this guy. From the left turn lane, he goes in front of the other car. Dude, you're not a bike. That is so fucking funny. You're that impatient. That's hilarious. Got him! Get your ass over there, dude. Put down your phone and put down your fucking phone and look, okay? She wants to just like talk back. It's like, no, put down your fucking phone and look out. It's so annoying, dude. Cell phones are illegal to use and not to use for a reason. Just so you know. Third gear? Indubitably. Now this is where we came out of right here. Just so you know. This is sunset right here. Oh! Okay, look. Stop lines right there. And look at these two cars. Imagine turning left around them. Oh, it's just so easy, the bad drivers here, man. Too funny. Those LA drivers though. Yo, yo, yo! That guy was tweaking. Look at this guy. Because this asshole over here is crossing the road on a red light and no one would honk. And no one would honk but your boy Snowcat to get things fucking moving. Yeah!